everyone, this is Susie from Soil Mates of Georgia, and this is Cody. Today we'll be talking about neem oil. What is it, why use it in your garden, how to use it, and where to buy it. So why use neem oil? Neem oil is 100% chemical-free pesticide. And I get a lot of beetles on my plants, and I was looking for a natural way to get rid of them. So neem oil, it comes from the neem tree, and this one is organic. You can get it on Amazon. And it's one of my favorites because it's really easy to use. So it says mix 1.5 teaspoons of neem oil per quart of water. So right here I have a pint, so that's half a quart. So since it said 1.5, I'm going to put 3/4 of a teaspoon in. So this is 1 teaspoon. Oops, okay, I'm messing. No, sorry, that was half a teaspoon. I did that right. And then the 1/4. So now I have 3/4. Okay. Oh. All right, measuring was okay. Okay. And all I'm going to do is shake it up. I always label everything because I do have kids, and if they see a spray bottle, they'll just spray it. So this is always safer. And I know I said it gets rid of beetles, but since I put neem oil on, I've also seen less chipmunks go after my tomatoes and less birds. So it must taste bad to them too. Okay, so the best time of the day to apply neem oil is very early in the morning or late evening. I prefer late evening. You don't want the sun to hit the leaves and burn them, so late evening is the best. And this is how you apply it. Just generously, you want to get underneath the leaves and on the top, and pretty much all over the plant. Some people prefer to wear a mask when doing this because it does, you do kind of breathe it in. So if I were not doing this video, I would be at least having my shirt up against my mouth and nose, but for the video. So just make sure you get above and below the leaf, and it should get those beetles taken care of, and some other pests as well. So one of the downsides of using neem oil is you do have to reapply it every 7 to 10 days, and if it rains, it just washes everything off, and then you have to redo it. But I've had success with it with not just beetles, but spider mites and other insects, and then, like I said before, the chipmunks and birds don't like it either. So it's worked out well for me. I hope you learned something from this video, and thanks so much for joining me today. Please subscribe. We'll have another video out next Friday. Bye.